Hi everyone, my name is Sawyer. I reached a level many talk about but few achieve. 100,000 boxes plus per week and properties in multiple countries. My Telegram channel gives you free training, practice and real signals. Join my community and message me. Step into a higher circle. The key is precision, not greed. I don't chase, I react. If moment aligns, I strike, then vanish. The less you expect, the cleaner your decisions. That's the mindset of the scalper.
Let's open a short trade here, rather than following the trend, since I think we'll get a good signal here. Let's highlight the working area as a whole. There seems to be a good signal here for a short, since we are focusing on the RSI. Here we've touched at the upper moving average of our Bollinger Band channel, and accordingly we'll expect a downward movement. After this touch, we'll wait for a slight pullback. I think it's better to do just then in this area and open a short trade, especially since we see that our RSI is in the overbought area, and accordingly it's better to open a short trade. Let's see, there are just under 10 seconds left until the trade closes.
How do you make over 1,000 a week from trading? In my Telegram I give free education and show real strategy breakdowns and share daily signals with up to 80% win rate. Join the Sawyer community and start learning today.
And in the final seconds, the deal closes in profit.
I end each day by reviewing reactions, not just results. Did I move too early or too late? That question shapes tomorrow's accuracy, because mastery isn't winning, it's understanding why. Precision is endless practice. I never chase after a candle that's already moved. If you see the move, you're already late. I prepare before it happens. I identify pressure zones and traps. When price hits the area, I'm ready to act instantly. Preparation makes reaction possible.
Here we will also open a short trade in the direction of the trend. Let's highlight the working area, and I will explain the entry principle to you now. Look, we have a downward trend, that's one. We can see it all. The price is going down, plus this is a very good resistance area. In general, then we touch the upper moving average of the channel, and after this, these signals and also our RSI indicator tells us that the movement should move downwards from the overbought areas. So we will open a short trade in the direction of the trend. Overall, we are already seeing a good exit. I don't think this candle will go anywhere higher. This trade is likely closed in profit, with less than 10 seconds. So, let's watch. And yes, our trade closed in profit without any problems.
Every pattern has a rhythm: rise, pause, release. Once you learn that rhythm, you can trade almost by instinct. Not blind intuition, but trained repetition. You react because you've lived this scenario before. Memory becomes your system. Want to earn over $1,000 a week in trading? I teach my community for free. Real strategies, real results, and daily high accuracy signals. Join my Sawyer community now and see how it's done.